In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable live process monitoring in Datadog Agent. By the end, you'll know exactly where in the Datadog interface to confirm your process data is flowing, how to spot active alerts tied to processes, and how to keep things quiet during maintenance so you only get the notifications that matter. Start by heading to your Datadog site and signing in. If your organization uses multiple regions or accounts, make sure you're in the right one so you see the correct infrastructure and monitors. Give the page a moment to load. Fresh process data and alert states can take a few seconds to appear after you open the app. From the left-hand sidebar, open Monitoring. This is the central hub for visibility and alerting across your environment. It's the place where you can validate that monitors related to live process activity are behaving as expected. If you've recently enabled process collection on your agent, this is where those signals ultimately turn into actionable notifications. Next, open the Triggered view. This page lists monitors that are currently firing, sorted so you can quickly see what needs attention. Once live process monitoring is active on your hosts or containers, any monitors tied to process behavior, like sustained CPU usage by a service or unexpected process restarts, will appear here as they trigger. If the list is busy, consider sorting by most recently triggered to bring the newest alerts to the top. You can also check whether the hosts, tags, or services associated with these monitors match the scope where you expect process data. Switch over to downtimes. Downtimes let you temporarily mute monitors during planned work, which is especially useful when enabling or tuning process monitoring. Here you can review what's currently muted and confirm that no broad downtime is unintentionally hiding process-related alerts. Pay attention to the scopes and time ranges so you maintain signal during business hours and reduce noise during deploys or restarts. Now move to the Quality view. Quality helps you find monitors that may be misconfigured, missing data, or using thresholds that don't reflect real behavior. If you've just turned on live process monitoring, this is a great place to catch process monitors that aren't receiving data yet or need better tagging. Tighten thresholds that are too lenient and relax ones that are too noisy so you end up with timely, reliable alerts. At this point, you've navigated the key areas to validate and manage live process monitoring in Datadog. If changes were recent, give the agent a moment to report, then review triggered, downtimes, and quality again to confirm everything looks healthy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.